Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings, and I hope you all have a beautiful and a blessed Sunday. Today I felt because the month has just started, you should start putting your plans forward and you should start planning your month ahead as to how and what you need to do for your this month to be successful. This is one thing I felt. Some of you I feel have been having a dilemma in related to your career, in related to your either spiritual journey or in your business journey. I feel you need to just sit and plan, and if you plan, things will work in your favor. Now today, because it's a Sunday, I'm not going to suggest any colors. Just be the way you want to be. So let's just pull the cards to see what is in the store. The first card is a beautiful card which talks about Ace of Hearts. So usually itself Sundays is family time, so maybe that's the reason it has come. And the second card which has come is Emperor. Now these cards are completely different than what we see in our regular tarot cards. For example, if you see the Emperor here, you find flowers, you find mountain, more like a strong base. And in the Ace of Hearts, more like the Cups card, but you will find here you know a flower vase with hearts spread out. But let's see what is in store for you today. So coming to our Ace of Hearts, I feel the day is going to be like spending time with your blessed ones, with your loved ones, giving more energy and time to them. And I feel it's a happy day today, more like a day where you will enjoy your day, where you will spend quality time with your family members. Also, I feel that you will significantly know what has to be done, how you need to plan ahead, and also maybe when you take your family out, maybe if you can take them out for some nice surprise dinner or an outing, they'll be very happy, and it will make them feel as if you are also in turn taking care of them, and having your responsibilities sorted out, not only in your work front but also in your personal life. Maybe they are missing you, maybe they are looking for that quality time, so give them that quality time today. If possible in the evening, just do the Surya Mudra for 10 minutes, intending how you want your coming week to be, and I'm sure you're going to have an awesome Sunday. Blessed be.